Hey, what's up, guys? We're doing I'm gonna do a quick video on a Skylight installation. This is the Velux solar. Has a little solar function right there. I'm gonna put the model number on the description. In this case, since it's has a pretty good slope, it can be directly, this is a deck mount one, so it goes directly on the roof. And it has this flashing. You pull that out, and this one here, the big one, so both, you pull it out, nail the window on the roof deck, and then you put a lot of ice and water shield, as you can see. And going up, there's like a window tape too, and then the ice and water, and then you do the step flashing. So looks nice. Helps a lot with the light in the room. This is a dark room, and it's pretty good. Looks good. I'll put the model number on the description. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget the thumbs up.